Amber babies, how are you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my beauty channel, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to use 0.75mm Dermaroller for your face. I have never done this video even though I sell this Dermaroller. This size is over here, 0.75. Now this size is good for acne scarring. I'm using this for acne scarring. It's very good for loose skin that you have. If you feel that 0.5 is not enough for you but 1mm is too much, so this size is in the middle, is perfect. So what I treat this loose over here. I have kind of loss of volume over here. It's not gonna get rid completely, guys. This is not like a magic wand or something. It's gonna tighten your skin definitely if you have acne scars, because it's crazy. I'm 32. I still have acne scarring. Like I have acne once in a while, especially before my period. So now my period is already passed and I have over here like some acne scarring left, like a hyperpigmentation caused by acne. Then this size is really good for the hair. Scalp dermarolling. 0.5 sometimes can be, is not enough. If you have a little bit like more thicker hair and you wanna like produce hair growth and stimulation and everything in your scalp, this size is really really good for the scalp. So today I'm gonna be using 0.75 for over here, this lower part of my face. Do not use this size for the forehead or around the eyes. This is a little bit too much. So I have it sealed over here in the plastic bag that comes in the box. Actually, this is disinfected in manufacture already with the oil gas, which is ethylene oxide. I believe this is how you pronounce a gas, which is sterile, is disinfected and everything. So I'm opening. I want to show you how you can like go straight away without disinfecting the roller, go to the face, because this comes already disinfected from manufacturer. So this is what it is. This is how roller comes right here, guys. So I just have to disinfect my face. So I'm taking cotton round over here and alcohol on the cotton round and just wiping that area where I'm gonna be using Dermaroller. So I'm gonna be using over here on my lower part of the face. You always have to wait until alcohol is going to dry. If you are very sensitive and you need numbing cream, I have a recommendation here for you. A Banel Numb 520. This is from Amazon. All the products that I'm using today, I'm gonna link down below in the description box. So scroll down and you're gonna find all the information about products that I'm using. Basically, you will be applying half an hour before treatment, removing numbing cream, wiping with the alcohol again, and then dermarolling. If you guys really into micro needling, dermarolling, I have a book for you to recommend to read. This is Derma Needling by Dr. Lance Satterfield, and he is a doctor that one of the first people in this world started using dermarolling, and he did a lot of like studies and everything. So if you're really into dermarolling, get this book. It's not cheap. It's like around $80 on Amazon. I'm gonna link down below, but information is amazing. It's kind of a little bit high level. It's not so easy to read. Sometimes I have to read 2 times because I'm not American. English is my 4th language. It's kind of sometimes hard to understand things, even though I know a lot about dermarolling. But this book is like, wow, this book, like you feel like you're studying like some master of medicine. Really cool. I'm going from one cheek to another cheek. And how you dermaroll, you guys already know probably. Go like this, and then X. That's it. It's like nothing, no science, no rocket science. If you watch my other videos, you probably know everything. So no pressure, like kind of like let it go, but not try to like push in your skin. That's not healthy. I'm going one more time. Like you should feel, guys, when your skin is saying stop is enough, and when it's like you feel that maybe you need more. So I'm going just 3 times over the same place. I have to film. I decided that I have to film, and I miss you guys so much. I wanted to chat with the camera. Okay, one more time. And then go X. This is what I'm doing just for like loss of volume, just to tighten my skin a little bit. It's really great. You can use this Dermaroller like 1 time every 3 weeks. If you are like over 50, skin generates a little bit slower, you can use this once a month. Now I'm going to do the same with this cheek. So now where I have right now acne scarring, hyperpigmentation from acne, basically this is that acne. I was waiting like good 10 days. I know you guys been asking how long you should wait until your acne like kind of dies, but you still have this kind of redness. So I will say wait at least 10 days until you make sure that there is no inflammation, nothing left. So I was waiting 10 days actually, and I go over these places where I have acne scarring over here, and over here. So extra love for this place. Now I don't use numbing cream because I do this pretty often, so I get used to, but I'm pretty sure guys you're gonna have to use numbing cream because it's pretty painful. Now on the upper lip is really painful, so I'm very careful to get rid of this little thing. Okay, one more time, all over the chin. A little bit over here, follow the jawline. Extra love, I will say. X, and you know, diagonally doesn't get very comfortable to do. So basically with DERMAROLLER, that's it. I pour alcohol above my sink and then let it dry for at least over the night. Then what I'm using, guys, I'm using Gin Amber Beauty Vitamin C Booster. This is 20% natural vitamin C booster. I have, this is my brand, 72% organic, naturally derived, plant-based ingredients. This is vegan, cruelty-free, ascorbyl phosphate. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate is a most like natural vitamin C form. This vitamin C in our formulation is the highest form of active bioavailable vitamin C. That's why I made it, because I am into really natural stuff. I don't care, guys, what you use when you don't dermaroll your skin, but when you dermaroll your skin, you should be using something like more natural, because everything goes into your bloodstream. You have a bunch of holes, and every time you use DERMAROLLER, if you use DERMAROLLER every week like 0.5, then you want to use something natural. I don't care the brand. I can recommend you another brand. For example, Mad Hippie, they use also sodium ascorbyl phosphate, the same ingredient that I have in my booster, so you can use Mad Hippie. Mad Hippie, for the price is really affordable. Is this is, I believe, like $35, so it's not bad too. It's really good with konjac root, ferulic, hyaluronic acid. This is also with hyaluronic acid, with ferulic acid, with vitamin E, and with jojoba oil. Everything like all natural ingredients. If you kind of have a sensitive skin and you don't want serum to burn your skin, especially if you're using L-ascorbic acid, I do not recommend to use, guys, L-ascorbic acid, because burn your skin like freaking crazy, like even hurts. That's not healthy for your skin. This might be like a little bit like kind of like feeling like a pinching. So after dermarolling, you wait 2-5 minutes, then you can apply serum, and then you're not gonna feel this pinching. I don't mind this slight pinching. 2 pumps and dab it into my skin. And I dab everywhere because I washed my skin before today. I just didn't dermaroll my forehead, for example, under eye zone. But this absorbs really beautiful. Water formula after DERMAROLLER is the best because it penetrates the deepest, smallest molecule. Better start with the water formula, then like kind of gel, creamy formula, and then something like oily formula. You can dermaroll your nose too, for example, for reducing pore appearance, pore size. So dabbing into my skin. Got red. That's normal, that's completely normal. Now what I do, I will wait 2 minutes After 2 minutes, I take, you actually guys can be done with if you have really oily skin, this can be done, but I recommend you after serum or after booster, use something like a cream or oil after like a half an hour. Maybe 20 minutes. Let your skin absorb vitamin that you applied really well. Then I have what I use. I really love this spray, guys. I'm using only products that I love. This is from New Face Anti-Aging Infusion Spray Optimizing Mist with aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and flower extract. Ingredients are amazing. Oh my god, this is like root aloe barbadennis leaf extract, sodium hyaluronate, spira flower extract, chamomilla cutica, flower extract, rosmarinus, leaf extract, celentia. Oh my god, this is like all roots extracts and really well, that really well for your skin after derma rolling. So I'm just giving a few sprays. Oh my god, this mist is so good. I love it. And okay, now after this mist, guys, I will wait 15-20 minutes for everything really well to soak in. Alright guys, so 15 minutes has passed, and now I'm gonna be doing my last step, which is moisturizing. Here I have Drunk Elephant moisturizer, which is polypeptide cream, which is really natural, beautiful ingredients. I have over here box, because you don't have on the jar, I have over here box. I always say box if they don't have ingredients on the jar. I'm always reading ingredients just to remember, or I take pictures, so I make sure it's natural after derma rolling. Like, you don't have to use natural between in derma rolling, but while you're derma rolling together with derma rolling, you want to use something natural. See, so for example, a couple of ingredients is water, glycerin, sclero, Caria seed oil, bacillus, soybean, folic acid, ferment extract, Nymphaea alba root extract. Whenever you guys see root extract, some like oil, sodium hyaluronate, aspartic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, butylene glycol, sodium lactate acid, but you have to know what kind of acid. I do not recommend like any glycol acid, any acid that exfoliates your skin after derma rolling. Here I see coconut alkanes, glycerin, which is mostly like moisturizing, a bunch of tripeptides, peptides, palmitol, blah blah, a lot of peptides. So this is really natural. I love Drunk Elephant because you don't use any perfume, and jar really nice, like kind of, it doesn't oxidize, so you just press, press like this, and you have a bunch of cream. Yeah, and then I apply. You guys see I got red because 0.75 is really deep needle, and here I have even blood coming out from this scar. That's normal. That's going to heal really beautifully. So I'm applying moisturizer everywhere over here. Peptides are proteins that are necessary for our skin. Nice, so creamy, so beautiful, moisturizing. Next day, guys, don't forget to use moisturizer for sure, because your skin is tend to dry after derma rolling. Wherever is left going down my neck. And that's it, guys. That's it. This is very simple, very quick before going to bed. 1 hour, 2 hours before bed, never in the sun. And don't forget next day, next week, to wear SPF 50 at least for sure every single day. I do not recommend to wear makeup for next 24 hours, no workout, no sauna for next 24 hours. I really try to avoid direct sun. Wear hat, wear sunscreen, wear shades, and try just to avoid direct sun at least for the next 48 hours. After that, it's okay, just wear a lot of SPF. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Of course, if you have any questions, leave down below. Bye, guys. Love you. Bye. Bye.